different, I don't know, different outlook on life, freedom, I don't know, just like Easy Rider.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
He has this kind of a dream of taking the bikes out to Route 66.
But the one thing I do like about it is you'll never find two gold wings identical.
No, it got steadily bigger until 1969 when my father bought me a car to get me off the bike.
My opinion on biking is freedom.
Well, if I had hair, I might have wind in my hair, but without the hair...
Love it.
On the very date of my birthday, I couldn't wait to get on the road, which I did. I've been in and out of bikes ever since.
Shout into the...
We are!
We're biker bitches.
We like to ride our bikes.
To be curse? Yes.
There you go. So, yeah,
so the accessories are a big part.
Absolutely.
Special birthday 2 years ago, and I went back to a bike.
There's a group of people there, they've become a family.
How are you?
This is it.
Oh, yes!
Okay, guys.
Absolute thousands of extras.
That's right.
It's just endless the amount of stuff.
It was a very special birthday. I'm not going to tell you which one it was, but it wasn't 50 and it wasn't 70.
The dream, there's no doubt about it. The freedom is just, you won't get it anywhere else. Maybe skydiving, I suppose.
My opinion on biking is freedom.
Basically, driving a bike for me is it's something I do every day. You know, it's not just a weekend thing. You know, I drive the bike most days. You know, and it's a means of transport as well as lifestyle.
It's kind of gone full circle now.
My CX500 and tour around.
He's a wannabe biker when he buys one.
I just like the babes attached to it.
Because there's no babes attached to my bike. How do you attach it?
I started in 1964 when I was bribed to...
Yes, I'm living the dream anyway. You live in the dream, Tony.
I'm living the dream. Yeah.
So you want about 18 on this bike?
Living the dream, well, it's a form of freedom. It's an expression of art, the bikes in themselves. It definitely is the dream, there's no doubt about it. The freedom is just, you won't get it anywhere else.
Oh, 20. Backseat, the side, and the ring of fire.
No, I just dream about living the dream. And I mean, I'm stuck here with this, with nothing but leathers to wear.
Yeah.
Independence.
I don't drive cars, but I'd like to sit in the passenger seat or behind. Someday I'd love to go on a ride in a motorbike.
Hey? George Lucas is on the back.
Huh?
George Lucas. He's my dad.
And I understand the meaning of living the dream.
Pick up that. What do I pick on it?
Yeah, I was looking at it. It's gorgeous.
Bravo. I'm telling you, George. These people will be very impressed with that.
Respect for it nowadays. They do a lot of very good charity runs, and it would be very helpful to the community as a result of that.
I'm a wannabe biker, and I'm going to do it eventually. Well, I'm living a dream at the moment in my head.
There's no bike small enough for me to put my legs on. It's brilliant.
It's the biker bitches that make it fun. It's the biker bitches that make it fun.
That's like I live in the dream, not right?
As Honda said, it's what dreams are made of.
Come on then, let's go. Get on the bike. Bike for Frank now.
Yeah, I was looking at it. It's gorgeous.
Brago.
What is it?
Brago, it's right with all those names. It's right.
BSA.
Well, no, that's an old bike now. I'm right, it's right, BSA Bantam at one stage. It's a twin. This is Suzuki again, nice on the up on years.
Which one?
To the blue one there, that one, double O. See if we get any more.
He has a good selection of bikes,
There's
isn't
a lot of bikes, but he hasn't a huge selection. There are a lot of sports bikes, you see. There's only a couple of cruisers there.